In this video, you'll get an overview of Syncro's backgrounding tools, which can help you make repairs, edit files, and more without interrupting the user's work. To begin, navigate to the Assets and RMM module. Locate the desired asset, then click the Backgrounding Tools button. This opens our backgrounding tools, formerly called Syncro Live, in a new browser tab. The first tool is Task Manager. Here, you can initiate new processes or click the X to halt existing ones. Next is the Service Manager. The services list is filterable, and you have the ability to start, stop, and restart services. Next, you'll find the Windows Event Viewer. This loads a live list of event logs that are searchable and filterable. To start a search, type in your query and press Enter. When the results display, click the relevant log to review it. The System Information tool provides various details about the machine. The File System tool allows you to interact with the File Explorer. It supports creating new folders and files, as well as downloading and uploading of files and folders. The Registry Editor tool allows for searching, creating, and editing Windows registry keys. For example, select Current User, then enter search criteria in the field in the upper right corner of the page. From here, you can create new keys, rename, or delete existing keys. The Remote Desktop tool is an in-browser screen share tool. Click Connect to initiate the screen share. The final tool provides access to the terminal, which could be either a command prompt or PowerShell. You can create multiple sessions and tab across them for convenience. Simply enter your command and press Enter to receive a response.